Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to trade in front of you by using my trading strategy. We are going to analyze 1 minute candlestick chart and we'll trade over 5-minute time frame. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we will try to understand what is the trend in this chart. So as you can see, market, okay, I guess. Okay, so we have got this trend line. I will change the color, we'll make it white and bold. Now it's visible. So it's quite clear that market is moving in a downtrend. This is the highest point and this is the lowest point, and this was the higher high, and market formed a lower low, and again it formed a lower high. It means that market wants to go in the downward direction, and this trend line we also get a breakout here. We kind of missed this opportunity, but no worries, we will try to take another because market is full of opportunities if you are ready to grab one. So as you can see, market has breakthrough from this level and there is some internet connection problem, but no worries, it is going to be fixed in the next 1 minute. So it's fixed now. As you can see, market has broken this support trend line, and now what we can expect from the market, we can say that market is going to hit the next support level, which is this level, and this is a strong level. As we all know, it's an extreme level of support, so we can trust this level. I will create a zone out of it. So okay, and now so we have a zone of support, and as this is a breakout, so I will remove this trend line because it's of no use now. So this is a strong level. As you can see, market is going strongly in the downward direction, and when things like that that happens in the market, when market moves very aggressively on a certain direction, you can expect that the market will retrace back for some times, and I am expecting the same, but still market is not looking weak. I need a weak market, and with confirmation we are going to place our trade. So this is a good candlestick pattern, but still I'm not sure that the market will hold. Okay, it is going strongly. It's an aggressive move by the buyers because this is an extreme level of support, and buyers must be waiting here for a very long time. So as you can see, market has gone for it has traveled a long way, so it will be riskier to place a trade here, but this is a confirmation by the buyers, and market was weak, but it was not that weak. I was expecting a good price action move here. It was not the healthy price action, I would say. I wanted a price action like that. Market goes down, it formed a bullish candlestick, and then again a bearish confirmation, again bearish, and after hitting the same level next time, giving us a strong signal of buying, then we can expect a market to go in the upward direction according to my strategy. But it happened instantly because this is a strong level. As I told you that extreme levels are very strong. There is a separate video. If you don't know what are extreme levels, you can watch it from the playlist section. So right now market is going very strongly in the upward direction, and I think we have missed this trading opportunity. We are not going to get this trading opportunity again, but when one opportunity slips from our hand, we will try to grab the next one, and I think that market is strongly going up. But as this is a downtrend market, at some point of time market has to reverse because this is the retracement, and after retracement market will going to continue its trend, which is downtrend in according to this chart. And so now I think I have to draw that trend line again because now it is of some use to us. Okay, so let's see. Okay, market has broken this level already, so never mind. Okay, so as you can see, market is going aggressively. Why? Because it has got buying from the extreme level, and you can see this is an aggressive move and this is not healthy at all. So I will skip this chart because I don't feel safe trading over this chart because it is moving quite unhealthy, and that's very strong aggressive move by the buyers. I will switch chart to find different opportunities because that chart was not at all healthy. And here also we can say that market reverses back and it's going strongly in the upward direction, but guess what, the trend is downtrend in this chart also. So at the end of the day, market will go in the original trend direction. So we can expect and can draw our level of strong resistance, which is here and here. I'll change the color, now it's visible. So we can expect that the market will get weaker and weaker with time, and from any strong resistance it can reverse. Right now I don't see any kind of weakness in the market and I'm not expecting a reversal, and if market reverses from this level aggressively, then we are not going to take any trade because we will follow our strategy. That is the only point. So if I'm not seeing weak market, I'm not going to take a single trade. So let's wait. As you can see, market is going strongly up, and as this is at the resistance level, let's see where the next strong level of resistance can work for us. And okay, so market is full of resistance level, so let's wait how the market will behave. First of all, we will try to wait for the market to get weak, because in such cases we need weak market, and when we find weak market, then we are going to place our trade. So let's try to find, okay, and here also you can see that market is breaking all the resistance level. It was a strong resistance level, it's been broken by the market easily. And where is the next level of resistance? Well, this is a strong level, and if market hit this level with some confirmation, we can place our trade. This is a strong level of resistance. I will include the whole number also. So this is a zone, and yes, we can trust this level. So market is at that same level. It's trying to break, and if it is able, let's see what's gonna happen. So as you can see, previous two candlesticks were indecisive candlesticks, showing indecision in the market, and but still market is going in the upward direction. This is not a good sign for us because it is not showing any weakness. The buyers are very aggressive and they are buying at every price. They are ready to pay premium for on a current scenario. And as you can see, market broke through this level, so we will try to draw other level also, and this we can take as the next resistance. It was previously working as a support, you can see here. So we can expect that the market can reverse from this resistance level. Right now no weakness in the market, but at any moment of time market will start to slow down. So I'm just waiting for that particular time, because it's an aggressive move. It's an unhealthy price action, and when unhealthy price action happens, market has to release pressure, and to release pressure it has to retrace back in this condition. That is my analysis. So now this is the rejection. We can say that the sellers are rejecting now. The buyers are not that much interested. The buyers were interested like here, but with time they are losing interest because the prices are increasing, and at the end of the day they are here to buy or to sell. So those who think that this is an attractive price, they are going to buy it. Those who think that the prices are much higher, they will start to sell. But let's see who is in more power. Like if majority of the traders decided that this is not the attractive price, the market will starts to reflect it in the chart. Right now I can say that this market is getting weaker and weaker with time, which is a good thing because we need weak market. Now both these two candlestick shows one thing, that sellers are rejecting it and buyers are not in a mood to buy the orders here. But still, okay, so I will include this also. Why? Because this is a whole number. Let me give you the exact number. This is 1.13600. So a whole number is also a good support and resistance level. They works really good. And right now if you go by this chart, it was previously downtrend, but as you can see, this is an aggressive move by the buyers. So we can expect a retracement with the same strength, equal strength, or maybe like 80% strength. So let's wait. Right now I'm waiting for the confirmation because market is weak now. We have got the resistance, we have got the trend, and this price action is unhealthy, and with unhealthy price action we comes with an opportunity of taking a trade, and it is going to be a good trading setup. So let's wait. I'm very sure that market will give us profit in this case because buyers are not looking that interested anymore. So let's wait. I'm not placing my trade with this confirmation because this is not a proper confirmation. What I want is a good volume candlestick, then only I will be interested in taking the trade. Okay, so market, you can see selling. This is a sign of seller, and buyers are not interested because you cannot see, we are not seeing any strong bullish candlestick here. But still some of the buyers are still buying by watching this aggressive move. They are the latecomers. These are the ones who take most of the losses because they join rally at the end, and after the end we all know that what's going to happen. Market is going to reverse. So you can see market is going up. Now what is in my mind, why I'm not taking trade? Because I'm thinking that market should go up, hit this resistance zone. As I can see that price action is dying here, the momentum is dying. So what I'm expecting is a good strong bearish confirmation so that we can place a trade. Right now I will not place my trade here because the volume is less. Now what's happening here, if you go by think about like a buyer right now. So are you interested in buying at the current level? Well, of course not, because we have got a strong resistance. Are you interested to place a sell order here? Well, I am interested in placing a sell order, but I wanted to wait for the market to hit this level. Or it might be the case that some of the orders are pending, selling orders are pending here. Why? Because previously market respected this level and it was a good rejection. Market previously was going strongly, but this resistance level was able to hold the market, and you can see now this is showing volumes. This is some volume. So and I can see that market is breaking the level of near support, and so I have placed my trade here. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will try to explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. I'm going to fast forward this video. So we have won this trade, and so now let me explain you why I took this trade. It was an easy setup. I have used this setup in my previous video also, and I always explain you that whenever you see unhealthy price action, the market needs to release its pressure, because unhealthy price action creates pressure, and to release it, it has to do something. And in such scenarios, like if you don't believe me, just go with the charts. Whenever you see unhealthy price action like this, the aggressive movement by the buyers or by the sellers, at the end the market retraces back again. Same thing is happening here. Market was going strongly, very aggressively in a single direction, no retracement, nothing. Then what's gonna happen according to my analysis, and you can analyze it over different chart, different asset class, and you will see the same result, that whenever things like this happen, market retraces back. And I was expecting the same thing. So with for that, I waited for the market to get weak. Market started showing some signals here, and this was at the resistance level. I draw a strong resistance level. You can see this was the resistance level. It was previously working also as a support. So for me, the level was actually, let me show you. Okay, so the level was actually this. So it was previously working as a support. So I thought that market will going to reverse from the same if the market gets weaker in the volume. So previously market was breaking all the resistance level that were present in the way up there, but at the end of the day, we all know that market has to retrace back, and this was the level. So I was drawing every level. This level worked here because market shows weakness. You can see the rejection and the rejection by the sellers. Those who entered like here will going to book their profit at some time. So this could be like this is the position of profit booking, or might be this. But at the end of the day, if you go by analysis, just understand the psychology behind this chart. So I'm interested in buying. The prices are very low because previously market was moving strongly in the downward direction. So I'm expecting, and I think that the prices are at a discount, so I need to buy this. I'm buying. More buyers, more buyers, more buyers, some selling, some profit booking. Again buying started, but at the end the prices are increasing, so traders are not interested to pay premium on certain time. This is the time when traders were interested, but as soon as the price started to increase, the volume decreased, depleted. Now when there is no one to buy, what's going to happen? People will panic, traders will panic, and where they are going to sell it. Or those who are watching this chart will think that as the prices are increasing aggressively, like we did in this chart, the prices has to go back. It has to retrace back, and for that we need sellers. We need sell orders. So we are going to draw levels of resistance like we did in this chart. We draw level of resistance here, here, or somewhere, and here. And we won this fight here. The buyers were not interested at this price. Sellers were thinking that now is the time to hammer this chart, and they did the same. As buyers were not interested, sellers entered, and they shows the sign. You can see these are the sign. Market goes up again. What I saw here, why I took this trade, let me explain you. This was the recent support level. Market goes up till the resistance. Market goes up, it goes like it reverses back little bit, and it got support from the same level, meaning some buyers are here. So some buying happens, but at the end of the day, this is a selling zone. Seller entered, they took the market by breaking this support, recent support level, closes here, meaning this is a strong candlestick as well. There was a breakout, a strong confirmation. This is a selling zone. Previous price action what was aggressive, meaning one thing that market will go in the downward direction because buyers are not interested at such price. So selling needs to happen, and that's why this is the psychology and this is the concept behind taking this trade. Previously market was moving in a downtrend. It was the downtrend. This was the retracement happened, and it goes down, goes up, goes down. This was the range market created, and after that an aggressive move. When aggressive move happens, we wait for the correction. This was the correction, and we need strong level of support or resistance, a strong confirmation, weak market, and then you can place your trade like we did in this video. So I hope that I have explained you about this trading setup as simple as possible, because I don't want you guys to get confused with my trading strategy. I'm using the same strategy and like trading for the last so many years, so I know how to trade, and that is what I'm explaining it to you. So if you have any doubt in your mind, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.